Hi there, theorists. Neil here again, and welcome to the Cherry Bomb trade for March 27th, 2020. And you're seeing me on screen because I keep forgetting to put this view up from the get-go. I'm trying to go with that one, so you don't have to like me, ooh, I'm all up in your face. All right, so here we are in the platform. We're looking at the chart. Normally I do start at the monitor tab here, just for those of you that are maybe tuning in for the first time. You can see we have a portfolio a little built here. We've been doing that using the Cherry Bomb trades that we get from tastytrade.com. The link is in the description below. Head on over. I don't get your email. I don't get any commission. You head on over, you put in your email address, you'll get an email from Tasty Trade 5 days a week. 4 of those days will give you these trade ideas. And I release these videos at 9:30 in the morning, so when the opening bell rings, you can go ahead and watch these videos. So if you like this kind of thing, hit the subscribe button, maybe even ring the bell so that you know, hey, the market's open, there's a video out, and we can put a trade on. So, with that said, of course, let's go back to that chart. And what we're looking at in today's Cherry Bomb is XOP, which is an ETF that tracks oil and gas, right? So we see here we are at a low for the year. Well, I should say pretty much at the low here. If we zoom in on, let's take a look at that nasty gap down that was there. And then we see we're up a little bit off the lows, but still look at the price we're looking at per share here. So, being that it's at the low and being that the Tasty Trade philosophy is a contrarian type of philosophy, we're going to take a bullish position. And we can even take a naked position on this one because the risk to the downside is pretty small. So just for, entertainment value, let's go back 3 years and see what we're looking at here. So don't mind my dog whining in the background. So there we are definitely at a long time lows. So let's go back to the 1 year, 1 day. All right, there we have it. Let's go over to the Analyze tab. Let's click on Add Simulated Trades if it's not active by default. And what we're going to do is click into the April 24th weekly expirations, and we're going to shoot for the $6 naked put. I believe that's what we're going for. Yes. There it is, and that is a 13 delta. We can see there's a lot more open interest, pardon, in the $6.50. Yeah, and it's closer to the 16 delta. However, based on what I'm seeing over in the natural gas futures, that's going to be down some. I would expect we'll see maybe an increase here. In premium that we could get here, and the delta will go up probably closer to this one. That's just a guess, of course, so I am kind of torn between these, but we'll put the Tasty Trade trade on here. I'm going to click the bid. It's going to put a trade down here, so I'm going to make that bigger. So you can see here we have our one short put. Let's of course click on the risk profile. Let's change that up a little bit there. Go dollar wide on the bottom, and we can see set the price slices to break even right there. All right, and then if we go, and I've been doing this now recently, set slices to chart, we come over here and we can see, that probably would be better if I actually did that. This is the line where we don't want it to go past, right? We don't want XOP to go below that line. We'll start losing at that, right? And if we can see here, if we have to change our expiration, though, to the proper expiration, so we said April 24th. All right, so it looks like there is an 84.5% chance of staying above that price slice. So those are some pretty good odds. All right. A little longer than yesterday. Apologize. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose confirm and send. It's going to remind us that our maximum profit is $22. I know it's not amazing, but hey, the odds are pretty darn good that we're going to keep that premium, right? Maximum loss should oil and gas become free. We would get a maximum loss of the $6 minus the credit we received for $578. I'm going to hit send. Check my monitor tab, see that we have some working orders here. One that I'll review these on Monday. We're going to review the portfolio, but I'm essentially closing a trade for a loss and I'm rolling another one. Okay, that's all, and I hope you had a have a great day trading, and I'll see you in the next episode.